Let's check on my neck bones. Jerk neck bones. Ooh wee. Let's get ready to get to wrapping. I just found these in the freezer. Right? Y'all know what these are. Some smoked. Well, they're not smoked. I'm about to smoke them. These are some pork neck bones that I got on sale. I had chilling in the freezer. You know, I was looking for some meat. I said, oh man, look what I got here. It's gonna be nice outside this weekend. And I was like, what the heck? Let me go ahead and jazz these up a little bit. Got my old tablespoon of Lawry's. You know what I'm saying? A little olive oil. You know what I'm saying, baby?
I'm saying, baby.
Well, garlic powder. Go ahead and throw that little honey on there.
Honey.
You know, pork loves some sweetness. Let me see. Look, y'all I got a little left, so let's go ahead and stretch it out.
Stretch it out.
Yeah. Come on now, it's gotta be enough now. Gotta be enough. See, this is how you do it, you know. You just wanna do your last minute barbecue and stuff like that. You know how it is. You just got something in the freezer and you got that fire going and you say, you know what? I gotta do something with this. That's what this is, y'all. We about to jazz these up, baby. Check it out.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. We good. All right. Y'all know how it goes overnight. It's gonna be a nice little treat. All right, y'all. That's all she wrote. Let's go ahead and check on it in about 2 hours. We're just going ahead and let it cook. We got the water pan in there, so we ain't worried about nothing. Everything should level out just like we want to. 2 hours in, let's check on my neck bones. Let's check on my neck bones. Jerk neck bone. Ooh wee. Looking good. What? We gonna go ahead and wrap these 2 hours in? Yeah. We gonna go ahead and wrap these. Let's get ready to get to wrapping. Looking good. And my hodgepodge of a braising liquid is just a whole lot of water, a little bit of vinegar, W sauce, and some jerk sauce to still maintain the jerkness during the braising. Can't eat them right now, baby. They not tender yet. Yeah, not yet. It's coming soon. All right, back on the smoke. All right, we're gonna let these ride for 2 hours, y'all, and that should do it. Let's see what these pork neck bones are at. It's been 3 hours simmering in here. 5 hours total. So we had it going at 250. Oh yeah. Ew. Yeah.
Real tender.
Yeah. That's how we want it. We want it just like that. Yeah, it's about 197. Let me see what. Ooh, look at that tender baby. We can safely go ahead and take these off. We got the tenderness and the temperature gonna climb anyway before it cool down. I'm gonna meet y'all inside. We're gonna get our grub on. See how this came out. Some good pork there. Bones just popping off of here, super tender. I'm loving these, y'all. See, this is what you can do with a good, cheap piece of meat. Turning nothing into something. Just like my ancestors used to do, y'all. So, try this recipe. Buy those neck bones while they cheap, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, experiment with them, do all kind of recipes. Have fun with it and up your barbecue game. Check this out. Y'all saw I was done. Nice and simple, just having some fun, experimenting. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.